Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookies without an electric mixer. First, ensure your 1 cup of unsalted butter is at room temperature. This makes it much easier to work with. Place the softened butter into a large mixing bowl, then add 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar. Use a sturdy spatula or a whisk to cream these two ingredients together until they are light and fluffy. This step is crucial for a tender cookie. Next, it's time to incorporate the wet ingredients into your butter and sugar mixture. Crack 1 large egg directly into the bowl and beat it in thoroughly. Then, add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for that classic sugar cookie flavor. Continue mixing with your spatula or whisk until the egg and vanilla are completely combined with the butter and sugar, creating a smooth and uniform base for your dough. Now let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients, a little at a time. Mix gently with your spatula until the flour is just incorporated and a soft dough forms. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your cookies tough. Finally, for perfect sugar cookies, wrap your dough and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This helps prevent the cookies from spreading too much during baking. Once chilled, roll the dough out to about 1/4 inch thickness on a lightly floured surface and cut out your desired shapes. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes until the edges are lightly golden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.